proud moment in my family's history.
So what exactly is the award for?
For saving the council money. I am to mention to her one day that I've had the same broom for the last 20 years. She was very impressed and said, have a medal. 20 years. That's a long time, Dave.
Yeah? Well, that's 2 decades.
I wouldn't go that far, but...
Treat, just a second. If you've had that broom for 20 years, have you actually swept any roads with it?
Well, of course. But I look after it well. We have an old saying that's been handed down by generations of road sweepers. Look after your broom.
And your broom will look after
No, Dave, it's just look after your broom.
you. Well, that I'll say.
Yeah, and that's what I've done. I've maintained it for 20 years. This old broom has had 17 new heads and 14 new handles in its time.
How the hell can it be the same bloody broom then?
Well, here's a picture of it. What more proof do you need?